Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Holiday Avocado from JellyCat. So let's get started. To draw this cute and cozy avocado, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the rim of our hat. So I'm going to start right here and just start with a soft curve. Go over, approximately that long. And I just want to bring it down so it's about the same height. Then from there, I'm going to bring it down about this much. Same thing over here. And now that I'm about the same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it once again with another curve. Just like the top. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come to the top to create the top of our hat. So it's just going to be kind of this dome shape curve. And then bring it down. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and we can create the little poof balls at the top. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to wobble this circular shape. Just here and there. And then you can come in here if you like, just give it some texture. Some little curves. There. Okay, and then same thing on the other side. So I guess you would call this like a beanie hat. I guess in Europe they call it a bobble hat. So right here. So I definitely learned something new. That's why this avocado was called a bobble avocado. So same thing here. There. So nice big poof ball, and then once again same thing, just come in here with some curves to give it some texture. There. Okay, so now that I have that done, we can finally draw our avocado. So I'm going to come right in here, come in a little bit, and I'm just going to draw two angle lines coming out on both sides. Then we're going to come out. So to draw our avocado shape, I'm going to angle it out. Same thing over here. And let's just keep going. So on this side, I'm going to start to go around. Not going to make it too tall and then bring it in. And same thing here. And start to bring it in on both sides. So it's just much fatter on that side. Now I'm looking at my camera. I think I need to bring this out a tiny bit more compared to the other side. So I'm just going to make this a little bit wider. Okay, there, a little bit better. And then come in, and before, if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish this curve, but I need to draw in some feet. So I'm going to stop right here and just go ahead and draw an oval in this space, add a slant. So we'll come about right here. Start with a curve in this area. And I'm going to go draw this oval and then wider at the top, and it's just going to be a little bit narrower towards the bottom. Kind of like a foot. That's my goal. There. And then same thing on the other side. So about right here. So definitely finish the curve. Make it a little bit easier, but I don't want to have to erase a little bit and lazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and try my best to draw another oval about right here. Also add a slant. And then go ahead and finish my avocado shape. So about right here, it's going to come through and connect. There. Okay. So then from there, we can go ahead and come in a little bit, and we're just going to follow the outside. And same thing here. And here as well. And then now that we have that, we can go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come into this area right here towards the top and draw some eyes. Make them draw so cute eyes since I'm drawing big enough. And I'm going to draw a circle about right here. And then come across and about right here draw another circle. If you'd like the original, you can just put in a small circle for the eyes and then a little highlight. But I'm trying to make them my draw so cute avocado. So I'm just going to make these eyes a little bit bigger. Come in here with 2 small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. They are pretty cute with those tiny little eyes. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. But hopefully you like my draw so cute eyes just as much. That way we can put in some color in the eyes. Okay, so now that we have the 2 eyes in, I'm going to come to the top and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then a big smile. So I'll say about right here. Draw a nice deep curve. Trying to follow the original and cap it off. There. And then of course we need to draw the pit of the avocado. So right underneath here we're going to draw a big oval. So I'll start right about here. And I'm just going to draw a big curve. Trying my best to center it about right there, and then I can bring it down to create our oval. It's a nice big avocado pit. And about here, connected. There. Okay, and last but not least, I'll put a little heart right in the center to make this my draw so cute holiday avocado from JellyCat. I really hope you love this cute little drawing here and that it brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new draw so cute videos. See you later.